that's for sure.
Oh, Roman Reigns unable to be contained.
Roman Reigns gathering attention in a hurry. He used his opponent's momentum on that one. Oh, man, is he fired up.
Roman Reigns here.
Oh, look at the emotion. Roman Reigns pouring on the aggression. Oh, going to the top, high risk.
Roman Reigns looking to attack from up high once more. Oh, Roman Reigns wants some air here.
Great offense by John Cena. Very, very painful hold here.
Oh, man shot!
Look at
Oh, man shot!
all the power he can muster to escape this. Do you feel it, Michael? Cena's got the momentum again.
No.
Dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted.
And he was just sent careening into those steel steps. Woo, a little showboating going on here.
When Roman Reigns makes his way through the audience, it's known that it will be only a matter of time before he imposes his will on an opponent. The longer Reigns waits, the worse the mauling will be.
And there's the reversal. Physicality. What strength. Great move.